The Strait of Otranto is a significant narrow waterway in southern Europe, connecting the Adriatic Sea to the Ionian Sea, which ultimately leads to the wider Mediterranean. Geographically, it lies between the southeastern coast of Italy and the western coast of Albania. At its narrowest point, the strait spans approximately 72 kilometers, about 45 miles, making it an important maritime passage for commercial, military, and cultural interactions. Its strategic location has historically rendered it a crucial point for navigation and trade routes linking Central and Eastern Europe to the Mediterranean basin. Geographically, the strait is defined by the Italian region of Apulia, particularly the Salento Peninsula, to the west, and Albania to the east. The Italian towns of Otranto and Santa Maria de Lucca mark its western boundary, while the Albanian coast stretches from the Bay of Vlorë to near Saranda. The water depth in the strait varies, with shallower areas near the coastlines and deeper channels in the central portion, reaching depths of up to 800 meters. This depth variation influences currents, tidal flows, and marine biodiversity, shaping both natural ecosystems and human activities such as shipping and fishing. The Strait of Otranto has immense historical importance due to its strategic location. It served as a gateway for ancient trade between the Mediterranean civilizations and the Balkans. During the Roman and Byzantine periods, control of the strait was vital for securing maritime routes and ensuring the safe movement of goods, armies, and cultural exchanges. In more recent history, particularly during both World Wars, the strait was heavily monitored for naval operations. Its narrow width made it a critical point for controlling naval access to the Adriatic Sea, and it became a site for submarine and patrol activities. The strait's oceanographic characteristics play a crucial role in its significance. Water movement in the Strait of Otranto is influenced by the larger Adriatic circulation, seasonal variations, and wind patterns. There is a generally north-to-south current flowing from the Adriatic into the Ionian Sea, carrying relatively low salinity water from the north. The inflow and outflow patterns affect local climate, marine productivity, and nutrient distribution, making the strait a biologically rich area. These dynamic waters support fisheries, including species like sardines, anchovies, and tuna, which are economically important for coastal communities on both sides. The Strait of Otranto is also an essential route for modern shipping. It serves as the southern entrance to the Adriatic Sea, connecting ports such as Bari, Brindisi, and Durrës to the broader Mediterranean. The passage is regularly used by cargo vessels, ferries, and cruise ships. Its strategic position means that maritime traffic is closely monitored for safety, security, and environmental reasons. Additionally, the strait is a focus for regional cooperation between Italy and Albania, especially concerning maritime navigation, search and rescue operations, and fisheries management. Culturally, the Strait of Otranto has served as a bridge between two regions with deep historical ties. Italy and Albania share centuries of interaction through trade, migration, and cultural exchange. Over time, the communities along both coasts have developed distinct yet interconnected traditions in language, cuisine, and maritime practices. For example, historic port towns on the Italian side, such as Otranto, display architectural influences from Byzantine, Norman, and Ottoman periods, reflecting the region's diverse interactions facilitated by the strait. On the Albanian side, coastal settlements like Saranda show similar cultural layers, highlighting the strait's role as both a physical and cultural conduit. The strait has also been a focus for environmental and ecological studies. Its unique combination of shallow coastal waters and deeper channels supports a variety of marine habitats, including seagrass meadows, coral formations, and migratory routes for marine mammals. Conservation efforts aim to balance human activity with ecological protection, addressing challenges such as overfishing, pollution, and the impacts of increased maritime traffic. These initiatives are increasingly coordinated between Italy and Albania to ensure sustainable use of the strait's natural resources. In summary, the Strait of Otranto is a narrow but highly significant waterway connecting the Adriatic and Ionian Seas. Its geographic position has made it a crucial maritime route for trade, cultural exchange, and military strategy throughout history. The strait's dynamic waters influence marine ecosystems, support local economies, and shape regional climate patterns. Its historical, cultural, and ecological importance continues to make it a focal point for Italy, Albania, and the broader Mediterranean region. Beyond its physical characteristics, the strait embodies centuries of human interaction, maritime tradition, and environmental significance, underscoring its enduring role as both a natural and cultural landmark.